past like 5 minutes. Do you see me? Do you see
Look
me
up,
in the window?
look up at Katucci's room.
Oh my god, hi!
Huh? Yeah. I'm joking. Grape.
Okay. See, I was gonna do that. I was gonna wear a bathing suit.
You want me to give you like a full outfit look?
Yeah,
Okay.
let's do a nice OOTD. So Sophia is serving us some great looks. She's got a Hawaiian shirt on. She's got her mom jean shorts. Yeah, the white Crocs are really what pulls it together. I like how they tie back in to the white tank top. It brings the simplicity, but brings the attention back onto the Hawaiian shirt, which is really the focal point of this outfit. Sophia looks like she's ready to go to the beach right now, really feeling the beach day spirit. Sophia, ooh!
I gotta pop the collar.
Oh,
Yeah.
she's too cool for us now. She looks great. Sophia wins, 10 out of 10.
I know how much ketchup
And then I'm wearing sunglasses and a lei, or Sophia's other name for it, which we aren't going to talk about. And then I have shells, and then this is a bathing suit, and I'm wearing this over it, but I'm kind of naked, but it's
What's
fine.
up, Tab?
Yes,
Ready
Laura.
for the game?
Yes.
It's
And
kind of a
those
big.
are my shoes. Mackenzie, how's your beach day?
Just beachy.
Johnson hasn't won a game yet.
That was
Johnson
good.
hasn't won yet.
Happy birthday! Sandals.
Myrtle Beach. Didn't even go there.
I can't wait to see the vlog.
I know, it's
We
funny.
need a tripod.
Wait.
We need a tripod for your birthday, for Christmas.
Yeah, do it.
Or a camera.
Like that. Wait, should I stand like... Wait, should I be taking it this way?
No. What are you doing?
I don't know.
I don't like
Yes.
that.
The bag?
Like, oh yeah, alright.
You're like, it looks like you're cropping next to your car.
Because I am.
Wait, remember that one time I did that on the
Oh
side?
yeah. Did you poop?
I peed. I had to go so bad.
I peed on the Lexington and Concord battlefield.
This way looks so
My
much
backpack.
better.
Okay,